Cooking for my hungry husband. Episode 44. My man said what's for dinner tonight. I said me. Hehee. I'm just kidding. Tonight I'm making some salmon bites. And not any ordinary salmon bites. It's gonna be honey, butter, lemon, garlic, glaze. It's gonna be fire, juicy, scrumptious, a masterpiece. Warning. This is mouth-watering. Hey Sailors, it's your girl, Sailor Moon. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, 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 hey. So I got my salmon bites right here. It's already chopped up and clean because y'all already know the drill. I'm going to season it with some Cajun seasoning, and you can season it however you want, but this is how I'm going to season mine. As you can see, I got my robe on. It is really late. I wanted to make something real quick but flavorful. Guys, I'm trying to hold in my sneeze because y'all already know if you're not sneezing, then it ain't seasoned. I don't care. AP, that's it. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt because I don't want it too salty. And I can't forget about the black pepper as well. AP, that's it. That's all the seasonings you need. I'm going to oil it up with some olive oil. And I'm going to mix it all up to make sure the flavor gets everywhere. Now that it's evenly mixed up, I'm going to grab a pan, pour in some olive oil. I'm going to sear the salmon to get it all brown and crispy. Ooh, it smells so good. Gotta do my little happy dance. Hey, hey, hey. Gotta do my little happy dance. Oh, I just love the smell of it. This is top notch. It's gonna be top notch right here. Let me give you guys a little close up of how it's looking. Ooh, this thing is sizzling. Music to my ears. Now I'm gonna flip it over to sear the other side. Oh, just look at it. Look at the crispiness and the juiciness. These salmon bites are so easy to make, I promise you. Easy and delicious. I'm just letting it sear for a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna take it all out, put it into a bowl, get rid of all that excess oil, and then we're gonna start our honey, butter, garlicky lemon sauce. Just know it's about to be good. My man gonna be like, oh baby, this is so good. What did you put in it? What did you do? Look baby, just know that this was made for you and made with love. A lot of love. Hee. I got 1 stick of salted butter. I got some fresh chopped garlic. I'm gonna throw that in the pan, and you can put as much garlic as you like, child. Okay, I love me some garlic. Y'all already know. I'm gonna mix it up, let it cook, let it do its thing. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of butter and garlic. I don't know, it just does something. Now I will be adding some soy sauce, and I'm gonna use about 3 teaspoons of it. This is what's gonna give it that real kick of a flavor. Now I'm gonna add in some honey for a sweet, nice little taste. And you can add as much as you want. There is no wrong way or a right way. Just put in some good amount of honey. Now I'm gonna mix it up a bit, and oh, it is smelling really, really good. Now I'm gonna add a fresh, nice lemon to it. I only used a half of it. Now the lemon is gonna take it to a whole nother level, okay? And then I'm gonna mix it up a bit, let it cook. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's smelling so good. I'm gonna add in fresh, cleaned parsley. If you have dried, that's okay, but I highly recommend fresh. Now watch the sauce transform. Now for the fun part, we're gonna pour all of the salmon bites into the pan, mix it up, have it on low heat for just like 1 minute, and let it cook, let it sizzle. Let the flavors lock in. Now you don't want it to cook for too long because you do want to save some of the juices so that way you can pour it all over the salmon once it's out the pot. This is the sauce right here, which is why I told y'all to save some, because I'm gonna pour it all over. It's gonna be juicy, okay? I don't like dried food. I like it juicy, saucy, and look, y'all know the deal. Oh my gosh. Look at this masterpiece. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good. I paired it up with some broccoli, sweet potatoes, and some rice. I actually made a side of rice for my kids because they real picky eaters. Honey, dinner's ready. I told them dessert will be for later. Hee hee. Bye. I'll see y'all on the next episode.